Hello, welcome to another episode of MK2 Golf Stories. Today we're looking at a seized brake caliper on the back of our 1988 MK2 GTI. Don't know why it suddenly become seized. It was working fine until we jacked it in the air. Anyway, let's have a look. Let's see if we can get it off and see what's going on. Hopefully it's just a case I was needing to wind back the piston. Let's have a look. .13mm socket. It's on the back, so we can undo this a bit. It's pretty dirty. Need a longer one on this. Right, I'll just put an extension on this side so we can get past the spring there. No, I've not seen this type of caliper before, so I hope I'm doing this right. 15mm spanner on here.
Yeah, we've got to get the caliper off. We'll make it off, isn't it?
I don't know.
I've never seen that before.
Now what?
Well, it should move now.
It's not moving.
Nine.
There's a brake. The brake's not stuck on, is it?
No, I think it is stuck on, but it's the piston that's stuck in.
Yeah, but
it's stuck out.
See, here's a spring. You see a spring here?
Yeah.
That pulls it upwards. Pulls it backwards, isn't it?
I haven't got a clue. I've never seen one
Look, there's the
before.
handbrake cable there. You see it?
Mind. Big hand.
See the end of the cable there? On top.
Yeah.
It feels loose to me.
Well, yes. Because I don't know.
Who goes the hammer? Yeah, that's coming off.
Carefully now. Where these springs are, I better take pictures of these. I don't know what's bloody what with this lot.
Okay.
I've not seen nothing like it.
Okay, move it on.
You're going to hang that on your spring now. It might just be the bloody rust on. Why are these catching on? Are they catching on there?
Where are those slide pins?
I don't know.
There's no need to.
Well, I would think so. Bit of grease would be handy.
Yeah.
So, see, we'll turn around now. There you go.
Let's get a bit of grease on these here. Shouldn't there be slide pins for these?
Well, yeah, I would think so.
Where are they?
Well, I don't know. I didn't put them in. Clean both them off. Do you want a bit of do you want a wire brush or something? Anything?
Yeah.
Don't clean that wheel off as well.
Yeah.
No, don't get there now. Getting long ways. That's better. Do the there's your file of this. You got sandpaper on the wheel on the.
Let's get a bit of brake cleaner.
No, it won't do it. It's rust. Oh, brake
Well,
cleaner.
that'll come off. That'll come off. The brake pads clean them, won't they?
Well, it's not. That's what's been stopping it.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Just clean these on the back as well, eh?
You need a pack for it?
Have you got some copper grease?
You want the
Copper grease.
All the grease is no good for that.
Copper grease.
Copper
Fucking hell, fire. Copper grease, yeah.
What is a proper?
Fucking hell. Clean these off a bit as well.
That's how you're about your mother.
It's funny how we've both got something in common, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
The thing in common is you,
You make me hear things all wrong.
do we?
Yeah.
Just give the pad a bit of a wipe and what's this? Under 20 grit sandpaper.
Come off that. Right, what else you want now? It's still binding or something. You turn it. I'm not sure if it's worth putting grease on there, you know. Very tiny bit. Who said copper grease anyway?
That's what you do. That's what you put on, isn't it? Normally.
I'm not sure.
I think it is. Strange calipers these, aren't they?
I've never seen anything like them.
No, I haven't. If anyone knows what calipers these are, because I'm not sure they're standard Mark II ones, let us know down in the comments below.
You want to cleaning that, wasn't it? I thought it was going to clean
Is that
that.
the pad?
Yeah, cleaning that. Take it back off.
Yeah, it's it turns now anyway.
So that's just roll that on it and turn it. Nice and clean that. Right, can you get the other side? That plate's there, isn't it? Can't get the back of it, can you? Put down the back paper, the last piece I've got.
Got loads of it at home.
What's that? That's some sort of rocker thing.
Don't know.
That's weird, isn't it? There's nothing to keep it off the wheel disc, is there? It's just resting on wheel disc all the time.
Hmm. Would it feel bad for binding?
What? No. I don't think so. It'll probably come loose when you're driving. But
Suppose you need a bit of a clean up.
you need to put some grease in there, but you can't get in there, can you?
What, in here?
Yeah.
No.
Weird. Sure we will. So, what's sand here?
It's not binding anymore anyway.
Alright.
Looks like enough, do you think? There we
Yeah,
go.
yeah. On your
There,
wheel.
isn't it?
Yeah. Put an handbrake on.
Yeah, might help. Okay, there you go. That's the end of that video. If you found it useful, please give us a like, click on subscribe. If you know what kind of brake caliper or what kind of car that caliper is off, let us know. That'd be handy, because I'm pretty sure it's not a standard Mark II one. You can buy us a beer or a coffee in the link in the description down below. Don't forget, you've got 20% off e-manual online, any car, any manual, using the code GS22MK2. Until the next episode, bye bye.